I don't like being this close to the road, but the exploring isn't very conducive here. I already almost stabbed my eyes out while I was trying to blunder up into the bush. I keep coming out here though. It's like Marin-ish, John Muir Woods. I'm always repelled away from San Francisco. Didn't stab my eye out. Close. When I was walking over here, from my car to find a place to ascend up the mountain the tiny ways, there was a deer just chilling by the side of the road, and I was gonna walk up and see if I could get the deer, but on the camera. But the deer's like, no thank you. Didn't seem to mind all the traffic, but when it saw like a human approaching it, probably knew I had this technology, which it probably doesn't like very much. It skedaddled. There are some wild berries up here. Very wild berries. And I don't know if they're edible or not. They probably are. I'm not gonna test it though because it'll probably end up being poisonous. All kinds of thorns out here too. See? Wild berry. Doesn't want to focus. Anyway. There's not a lot of point to this particular video, but just give you all some nature, some out of car footage. Oh, there's some actual very ripe ones. I guess maybe they're just blackberries in the pre-ripe stage. Anyway. Lots of purging going on with me and with others who are sharing with me of their own personal purging stories as we collectively purge the nasties from our systems. Woods, I guess, is a good way to help that. I should probably come out here more often. Anyway, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care, everybody.